Okay guys, I am going to try to install this product here. It's called Add-on Blinds for Doors, and it was purchased from Home Depot, and I have to give credit where credit is due. I watched Style by Casanova's video on her YouTube channel called Style by Casanova. Check her out if you have not. She has wonderful content, and she actually did a video of installing this on her patio door. So I was like, that is a great idea. Instead of purchasing blinds and having it installed over your door, this is, as it stated, over the door, and it looks like it originally came with your door. So I thought that was an excellent idea. So I went today and purchased this. Now her door is longer, glass all the way down, which they do have that particular product as well. I think it was 22 by 64. This is a 22 by 36 because this is my window here that I will be installing it to. And as you can see, it is a half window. So it's like portion of the door is a window and then the rest of the door is a regular door. So I'm going. Okay guys, it also comes with this manual here, this instructions, and it tells you the different measurements that the window, the over the door window comes in. 20 by 36, 22 by 36, which is what I purchased, 20 by 64, and 22 by 64. And again, it just tells you some information about it, and it's in different languages, so if you need to read this, you can. Also, as I stated, there is some other YouTube channels that actually demonstrate how to put this on, but I got this idea from Style by Casanova, so I want to give her credit for this and to thank her so much for giving me this idea. So I'm going to show you guys how it looks. Also, you want to make sure that you clean your window because once you place the over the door window blind, you will not be able to get back to your window because it will be encapsulated. So you want to make sure that you clean all the fingerprints and scums or whatever that you may have on your window with some Windex cleanser or whatever you want to use to clean your mirror. Okay guys, I'm going to try to show you guys this as much as possible with one hand. This is the actual product that's going to go over the door. As you see, it has the trim on the door, on the mirror already, just as it is on my door. So the trim is going to go over the trim that's on my door. And this is the blind here, and this whole thing is nothing but glass. Then it has that little slider thing here. That's what raised the blinds up and down. And then this one here, I believe, opens the blinds and closes the blinds. Then this is how it looks from the back. And this is your hardware. You want to make sure you remove that because these clips, you have two that goes on the top and then you have two that goes on each side just to give you that space so the glass, the over the door glass frame can actually clamp down on your door. So yeah, that's it, you guys. Now I'm going to put this on, and I'm sorry if I can get my daughter, then y'all will be able to see me put it on, but if not, then I'll just have to show it to you afterwards. To try to install this, I've also checked out other people's videos, and it really literally took maybe only 10 to 15 minutes, at the max 20 minutes. So I've already took out one of these little putties here. Hopefully you guys can see that. Because there's a nail on the inside of each one of these. See that little white thing there? That's nothing but putty. And you can just take that out, and then you will see the screw that's behind it. And only thing you have to do is just unscrew the top part, and then also the sides down here. Well, not down here. Probably this one here. Oh, let me turn it this way. I will probably have to move the front 3 that I showed you guys, and then also this here, this side one, as well as this side one. And this little thing here in my hand, this is what I'm going to move it with. And I'm going to try to demonstrate this on camera, you guys. It's just me. So hopefully you guys can see it pretty well. I'm just going to pretty much just pluck it like that. Please forgive me if the camera is shaking because I'm holding it in one hand and trying to remove this. There's no need to try to do this neatly to keep it, you guys, because honestly, you're not going to even see it because that glass, it fits completely over the door. So you won't even see this at all. So don't worry about it. If it doesn't come out neatly, you're not going to use it anymore. So you guys pretty much have that down. Just find something that you can kind of go in and pick this out. And I guess if I had a ladder, I probably need to go get my ladder. And you guys will be able to see it better. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and continue to remove these. I think you guys got the gist of this, and I'll come back. When you're unscrewing the screws, you don't have to take it completely out. You just want to unscrew it enough to create some space between the door, the trim and the door, so you can put your sliders on. So the over the door glass can adhere to your door. You guys, I am not a professional, so I am learning. Yet any space. I already loosened, and I had to actually loosen 2 of my side screws for it to actually loosen. So now you just want to slide this in just to make it flush against your against the trim. And then you're supposed to tighten your screws back up, because this is how the over the door is supposed to adhere to this, supposed to clamp on. But before I screw these back on, I have to do my sides. All right, guys, I finally got it on. Now, this probably took me, you guys, I'm not gonna lie, probably about 45 minutes. And they said it should take about 10 to 15, no more than 20 minutes. Well, what took me the longest time, to be honest, is removing the putty that I showed you guys in another clip, as well as the screws. I don't know, I had a hard time taking some of the screws out, and my arms was just getting so tired. So I got everything set, put my brackets and everything in, you guys, and then I put the window up, and my side brackets were in the wrong place. So I had to take it off, redo, loosen my screws again on the sides, and then remeasure. So make sure you guys, your measurements are on point. That way you won't have to do what I did because of my measurements not being exact. I had to take the screws out again, just on the sides. The top was okay. I did the top well enough, just the sides. So let me demonstrate to you guys. This level here on this side raises the blinds up and down. You see it's coming up. Okay, and it goes all the way up like that, all the way up. And then to let it down, I just take this level and I push it up. And now the blind is coming down. So it will give you that security at night. Now, on this side here, this level is to open the blinds, to open and close the blinds. So that's closing, and this is opening, and I can do it on either side. I like for my blinds to be up like that because I feel like you really can't look in, but I feel like when it's this way here, you can still see. So this is, if you want to let some daylight in, you can open your blinds like that. So yeah, you guys, I'm gonna step back so you can get a really good view of it. It looks beautiful. And guys, if I can do this by myself, yes, if I can install this by myself, you guys, surely you can too. I tell you, having my own home, you guys, I am learning so much and I am loving it. I am really, really launching myself out there and doing a lot of DIY stuff, a lot of do-it-yourself. And my goodness, I am truly amazed and I'm surprising myself. So guys, don't be afraid. Don't be afraid to save you some money. Stop trying to call people and pay them to install things. Get on YouTube, you guys. There's a lot of channels there that show you how to do these things and just take it step by step. If you mess up like I did, take it off, redo your measurements again, and try again. Don't give up. I did not give up, even though it took me, probably about 45 minutes to an hour. I finally got it up and I'm loving it. And now we don't have to worry about wondering, can someone see me? Because my daughter's like, Mama, can you see me when you were outside just now? We don't have to worry about that because we have our blinds up now and we can close them or open them or what have you. And it looks like it was originally a part of the door. You can't even tell that it's something that I added. Yeah, you can't even tell it's something that I added. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go and give it a try. Oh, I forgot to mention to you guys the price. Again, I have the 22 by 36 and the price was $78.99 and this was purchased from Home Depot. All right, you guys, this is Simply Monique. I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys. Make sure you love yourself and stay true to yourself.